I finished. I finished the model. Look at it. It's kind of mangled. And I needed to use the magnifying glass to do it. See? The magnifying glass. Did I mention it took nearly 5 hours to finish this? The details are really cool. But this was, look at that, that's kind of mangled. I mean, it's fun model and everything, but this is my first model that I ever done of this. So it's, I mean, look at the details. It's a lot of cool details and everything. It's just my big, giant, clumsy hands wasn't very, yeah, it wasn't very friendly. I went to Harbor Freight and I got this to help me. Stainless steel tweezer set for hobbyists and all that stuff. Durable stainless steel construction, light tension, perfect for hobby applications. I use this pliers because it has a flat end and it touches pretty good. Look at that. That's me. Handyman Club of America. I'm handy, mostly. But anyways, there's this. I use this one. I use this tweezers. I use this tweezers. I use this tweezers. So that's 4. There's one missing. Oh, this one too. This one I don't use is really pointy. It might have helped. But anyways, this was a very difficult challenge for me. And I wanted to just share with you this